How to install a rooftop cargo box on a Mercedes Benz model. Installing a rooftop cargo box on your Mercedes Benz model is easier than you might think. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to add extra storage space to your vehicle and hit the road with all of your gear in tow. First, you'll want to gather all of the necessary tools and equipment. This typically includes the rooftop cargo box itself, mounting brackets or crossbars, and any necessary hardware. Be sure to check the instructions provided by the manufacturer to ensure you have everything you need. Next, you'll want to clean the roof of your Mercedes Benz model to ensure a secure and stable installation. Use a gentle, non-abrasive cleaner to remove any dirt or debris that may interfere with the mounting process. Once your roof is clean, it's time to install the mounting brackets or crossbars. These will serve as the foundation for your rooftop cargo box. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to securely attach the brackets or crossbars to your vehicle's roof. Be sure to tighten all screws and bolts to ensure a stable and secure hold. With the mounting brackets or crossbars in place, it's time to attach the rooftop cargo box. Carefully lift the cargo box onto the brackets or crossbars, making sure it is aligned properly. Again, refer to the manufacturer's instructions for specific guidance on attaching the cargo box. Once in place, secure the cargo box with any additional hardware or locks provided. Finally, give the rooftop cargo box a good shake to ensure it is securely attached. If it feels loose or unstable, double-check your installation and make any necessary adjustments. Congratulations! You've successfully installed a rooftop cargo box on your Mercedes Benz model. Now you can fill it with all of your gear and hit the road, knowing that you have plenty of storage space for your adventures. Happy travels!